let us play.
Thank heavens I was still around.
Motu, you should have done my task. You know what happens when you don't do my task?
You cannot become powerful by scaring someone. Motu is a good boy. Which task shall I do? First, second. Yes! I will do the second. Yay! Aadi, where are we going? What will we do? What is the task?
Arey Motu, first let us go. You will get to know later.
Eee, so dirty. It would have been better if I would have stayed in my room and finished the task on the mobile.
Motu, what are you thinking?
Aadi, how do these people live in this filth?
Motu, this is our task for today. We have to clean this place and teach them the meaning of cleanliness.
But how? This place is very dirty.
Hello friends, we were waiting for you only.
Aadi, now what do we do?
Our leader for the task today is Motu. Now Motu will only guide everybody.
Me? Me leader?
Yes, Motu.
Wow! I had never thought that I would be a leader.
Oh Motu, we all have a leader inside us and you have one as well.
Okay, Chini.
Let us start. Look at Motu. He's so cool. He's the leader. He's gonna rule. He keeps his city neat and clean. He's our lean, mean cleaning machine. Look at Motu. He's so cool.
Boss! Boss! Save us, boss! Save us, please, boss! Save us, boss!
Attention! What is it? And why are you shouting?
Boss, there are some kids cleaning this place, boss! If the place is cleaned up, where will we live?
Boss, do something!
At ease! Do not fear! I am here! I will go right now and take care of the problem. Come on! With me, soldier! Come on, soldiers! Attack! Attack! was stop! Attention!
Wait. This is not right.
Now say, why did you come to harass us? Will you say or...
Wait! My name is Captain Coco, and I'm always on the go. And these are my little, tiny, shiny, big, loving kids. Listen, my boy, we all live in this garbage. And if you all clean this place up, then where will we go? And what will we do?
Where will we go? What will happen to us? Help!
Look, Gogo, if you stay here, then people living here will fall sick.
No, Motu, my boy. We do not want anyone to fall sick. Why would we? But the garbage is our home. Where there is garbage, we are there.
People fall sick because of uncleanliness and blame you all.
Idea. Come here, Gogo.
An excellent idea, my boy. Motu, you have got rid of all our problems. Come on, everybody. Pack up! Forward march! Okay, boys, we are leaving as well.
Hurry, brother. Will you go alone? Or take us along, brother? It is too clean for us to breathe.
Come one, come all, we all together.
Okay, friends, we are leaving now. But remember, we must keep our house and our surroundings clean. We should not throw our garbage outside. Diseases spread because of uncleanliness. Understand?
Yes. We will always keep our surroundings clean. We promise.
Hey Motu, how did you like today's task?
Yes, Aadi. It was great fun.
Come in, kids. I have a surprise for you.
Since I'm the leader, come on everybody, attack!